Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back.
Hi, my name is Nur Atira Binti Usairi. My matric number is 311162. Today, I will explain our background of our company, which is Lestari Fabrica. Lestari Fabrica is a brand that blends traditional clothing style with a modern fashion, creating pieces that are unique, meaningful, and full of cultural identity. In Malaysia, we are blessed with many race, culture, and traditions. Lestari Fabrica celebrates this diversity by preserving patterns, motifs, and weaving techniques that have been passed down by generations. In every product, Lestari Fabrica uses traditional pattern, symbol, and weaving methods that carry hidden meanings. Some motifs tell a story about identity, some reflects traditions, and others help preserve the heritage of different communities in Malaysia. This detail made each piece of not just a fashion item, but a story woven into fabrics. So, why traditional textile matter? Traditional textiles are important part of many cultures. They are show who we are, where we come from, and the skill that our community have developed over the time. So, in the end, Lestari Fabrica is more than just clothing brands. It's bridge between heritage and modern life. It keeps traditional alive while meeting the needs of today's fashion world. And most importantly, it celebrates its beautiful culture diversity of Malaysia. Thank you. That's all for me.
My name is Nik Bapor anak perempuan Lim Choi. Number matric is 311691.
Vision, mission and objective in our company. The first one is vision. Become an international leading clothing company by 2030. Expand global and be recognized as well-known fashion brand. Lead the fashion market in Malaysia for all genders, age and race. Mission is provide quality clothing and affordable price. Offer diverse clothing option for all races in Malaysia. Deliver excellent service to customer. Meet customer need and expectation. Objective, increase sales by 50% annually. Enter the international market within 5 years. Improve our online sales platform. Add more design and clothing collection for various groups. And ensure our products are as well accepted by the public.
Today, I'll give a quick overview of some key roles in a company and how they contribute to its success. Starting at the top, the company director sets the vision, mission, and overall strategy of the company. They make major decisions when it comes to finances, partnerships, and growth. While guiding senior managers, they also ensure the company follows laws and regulations. Essentially, they steer the organization forward and represent it to the investors and stakeholders. Next, the customer service managers ensures customers have positive experience with the company. They lead the team, handle complaints from the customer, monitor feedback, and coordinate with other departments to resolve issues quickly. Their goal is to build trust and maintain strong customer relationship. The sales manager drives revenue by leading the sales team, setting targets and developing strategies. They manage key clients, analyze market trends, and collaborate with marketing and operations to achieve sales goals. Supporting them, we have the sales analyst. Sales analyst studies sales data, customer behavior, and market trends to provide their insights and to help the improve performance of the company. Next, we have the production manager. Production manager oversees manufacturing or production, making sure that products are made efficiently, on time, and to quality standards. They manage staffs, resources, and equipment, solve problems, and coordinate with other teams to meet customer demand. The administrative manager keeps the office running smoothly. They manage supplies, documentation, schedules, and staff, ensuring that day-to-day operations are organized and well managed. Finally, the HR executive supports employees by handling recruitment, onboarding, payroll, attendance, training, and workplace well-being. They help maintain a positive work culture and act as a point of support to all the staffs. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone.
My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Abdullah and my metric number is 310568. I am the director of my company, which is Lestari Fabrica. Okay, so I'll be covering about the plannings in our management company. For the first one is planning process. Okay, what is planning process? Planning process is one of the important part for our company to identify our goals and direction toward the future. Next one is establish goals. Establish goal is also one of the important step because it will help to lead our company toward our goals for future success. Next, we're going to talk about different type of planning. Our company have 4 different type of planning. Firstly, we're going to talk about strategic planning. Strategic planning is a process which our company define its long-term objective and identify strategy need to be achieved. It is important because it will ensure our sustainability growth and maintain our position in a competitive market. Okay, we're going to talk about the tactical planning. We have 4 points. 4 points of tactical that we use on our company's planning. Okay, for the first one is marketing and promotion plan. Our company will target marketing campaign to reach new generations audience because they are easier to be reached by using social media platforms and online promotions and advertising. Promotion and discount also gonna be regularly held to attract new customer to buy our products and retain the existing one. We also don't forget to make some collaboration between our company and influencer that might increase our company visibility and popularity between the new generations. Next one is the production plans. The production plan is ensure that raw material that needed arrive on time. Efficiency manufacturing schedule and strict quality control procedure have been organized because this is important to maintain our quality of the product that we will be selling to our customer. Lastly is customer service plan. Our company will provide customer service counter and online so customer can address any inquiries, complaint, and this will support to enhance customer satisfaction. Okay, next we're going to talk about operational plannings. What is operational plannings? It's focused on daily activity required to implement tactical plans and achieve our company goals. Operational planning also helps our company to stay organized, efficient, and response when needed. Okay, for the first one is production plan. Production plan outline the daily manufacturing activities, including the schedule for our production runtime and ensuring that products are made on time while maintaining the quality standards. Next is inventory management plan. This focus on managing raw material and finishing products in our company. It's including tracking the remaining stock to avoid overstock or stock out. This will ensure that operation in our company runs smoothly. The third one is staffing and work schedule plan. This is to ensure that our employees are placed based on their skill to ensure that all areas are operated smoothly. Lastly, the type of planning we're going to talk about is contingency planning. What is contingency planning? It's involved in preparing for the unexpected event that could disrupt our company operation. This include delaying raw materials, machine or equipment breakdown, or we face some financial challenge. By identifying this problem, we could develop a backup plan and deal with the problem early. Okay, now we're going to talk about SWOT analysis. SWOT is the short form for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. For strength, we have a high quality fabric and variety close product. Besides, we have customers from diverse ethnic and culture. For weakness, our company face some challenge. Like our company marketing is still limited compared to our larger competitor, and we also rely on the small number of suppliers. For opportunity part, our company have a lot of opportunity to grow and expand. Why? Because we can leverage the emerging fashion trends and the increasing popularity of the e-commerce to reach the new customer, which is the new generation. For the last part is threat. Our company also face a lot of threat. For example, our competitor including industry market always constantly innovating, which means they make new products every time. So we also need to involve and also innovate new products every time. And lastly, the customer preference that can may be changed every time. That's all I'm gonna talk today for my part. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Vishali Gopal. My matrix number is 310139. Good day everyone. Before we dive into the study Fabrica, let's establish a foundation understanding of what is organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to the shared values, belief, expectation and practices that influence how individuals and groups behave in an organization. Essentially, it is the way things are done around here. It acts as the social glue, providing employees with a sense of identity and establishing rules for behavior. It shapes everything from decision making to productivity and customer interaction. Now, with that definition in mind, let's apply it to the Lestari Fabrica, starting with how their culture is physically demonstrated. Starting with the visible culture, the artifacts we see practices reflecting a discipline system. For instance, the company building is organized into separate sections for cutting, sewing, dyeing, and knitting. Additionally, employees wear proper uniform, gloves, and safety shoes, which highlights the focus on hygiene and safety following the strict SOPs. This visible action shows a highly systematic working environment. Moving to the ESPA's values, Lestari Fabrica is fundamentally committed to high-quality textile manufacturing. The value of efficiency and productivity are vital, requiring teams to work together to meet goals and minimize fabric wastage. They also value safety and professionalism to ensure reliable production. This fosters cultural collaboration and quality. So let's move to the next part, which is types of organizational culture. Lestari Fabrica utilizes two types of culture, which is hierarchy for structure and market for performance. First and foremost, the hierarchy culture focuses on stability and standardized procedure established through clear authority from CEO to the machine workers. A specific example is the process of cutting fabric. Employees measure and mark fabrics according to pattern specification and use cutting machines only after proper inspection. This adherence to SOPs helps the company reduce errors and wastage. Moreover, the market culture is competitive, prioritizing productivity, performance, and customer satisfaction over internal relationships. This is evident in their goal setting. The company sets daily, weekly, and monthly production targets for sewing, knitting, dyeing, and packaging. The purpose of meeting these high standards and target is to achieve high-quality products with limited deadlines and satisfy customer expectation. In conclusion, Lestari Fabrica's culture is a strategic plan. They use the systematic discipline, which is hierarchy, to ensure product quality. On the other hand, they use target-driven focus, which is marketing, to guarantee fast delivery and customer satisfaction. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hazel Agung El Shafa and my matric number is 309081.
Leading at Lestari Fabrica is about how managers guide, support, and motivate workers, so everyone can do their job well and help the company reach its goals. It focuses on clear communications, teamwork, and creating a positive workplace. First, employee motivations. Managers keep employees motivated by first, giving clear daily instructions and explaining production targets. And second one, supervising work in cutting, sewing, dyeing, knitting, and packaging. Third, providing immediate guidance when mistakes happen. And last, offering on-the-job training to improve skills and confidence. When employees feel supported and see their skills improving, they become more committed to their work. Behavioral leadership approach. Leaders at Lestari Fabrica build positive relationships by first, practicing open communications and listening to feedback. Second, encouraging workers to share ideas for product design and improvement. Ensuring the workplace is safe, clean, and comfortable. Providing PPE such as gloves, masks, and safety shoes. Enforcing SOPs fairly across all departments. And this combination of support plus discipline builds trust, responsibility, and loyalty. Transformational leaderships. Managers inspire employees by sharing the visions of promoting cultural heritage through vision, encouraging pride in producing meaningful heritage-based clothing, supporting creativity, innovations, and continuous improvement. And last, giving the recognitions to employees who perform well. This creates a motivated team that works with patience and commitment. Transactional leadership. This leadership style helps manage daily operations through monitoring for performance, rewarding employees who meet production targets, giving bonus, incentives, or promotions for excellent work, and providing warnings or retraining when standards are not met. Helps maintain discipline, consistency, and smooth operation of productions. And last of all, impact of leadership is effective leadership at Lestari Fabrica leads to 1. Better employee performance and higher product quality, faster faster, more efficient work processes, strong teamwork across departments, fewer workplace conflicts, and a workforce that supports the company's long-term goals. With strong leaderships, Lestarica Fabrica is able to achieve its vision and sustain business growth.
Hi, my name is Devdashina Perempuan Kania. My matrix number is 311544. Today I will explain type of control. Type of control. There are three types of control that used in Lestari Fabrica. The first control is feed-forward control. The second control is concurrent control. The third control is feedback control. Feed-forward control. These controls used at the beginning of the production. At Lestari Fabrica, these controls used to avoid any avoidable concern later. The second type of control is concurrent control. Concurrent controls used during the production. At Lestari Fabrica, these controls used to minimize any kind of error that happens during this production and also to save time. The third control is feedback control. This control is used after the completing the production. At Lestari Fabrica, this control is used to recognize the strength and weakness of the product that has been completed.
My name is Nik Bapor anak perempuan Lim Joy. Number matric is 311691.
In conclusion, our company, Lestari Fabrica, bring together quality, style and cultural heritage to create clothing with deeper meaning. The brand incorporates traditional, local textile into modern ready-to-wear fashion, allowing culture to be preserved in everyday clothing. This also helps sustain traditional craft, support artisans, economical, and keep cultural knowledge alive. Each garment is designed not only for function and style, but also to tell the story of identity, heritage, and pride. Lastly, by blending tradition with contemporary needs, Lestari Fabrica positions itself as a meaningful, responsible, and sustainable fashion brand.